I've been told by the engineering group that we expect jewelry because we want everything to be perfect. The color of the products that we've chosen, red, is very hard. The decision was that red was a color that people wanted in their home or would feel like they could have sitting out in the room, and it would maybe go with decor at the time, and now it just kind of blends in with our brand and what people see as O-Cedar. And it's been a brand that's been around for a long time, so it has brand recognition with it as well. So, for me, the thing with this job that I have learned is not everybody cleans the same. So when you are testing a product or using a product, you just think that that's the way that everybody does it, and it's not. Being able to adjust or watch other people use the products and use that to maybe make improvements or to change the way that we're testing things to make sure that it stands up to the way that everybody cleans has definitely been eye-opening for me. I think it's, to make sure that we stand out on the shelf, not only for look but for performance also. So in testing different combinations of fiber, making sure that we can pick up larger particles and smaller particles at the same time and kind of give people one tool to do many jobs. We definitely do not take the easy road. We come up with some crazy stuff, and it's just different people from different parts of the organization sitting in a room and just talking, and somebody will throw out one little piece of an idea that sounds a little crazy, somebody else will pick up on it, and then we'll run with it, and before you know it, we've figured out the problems.